me explain my absence. So March 17th, I believe, I made a post on social media that I would do for $200, 25 t-shirts, and I would supply the t-shirts. I honestly did not believe that I would get all of these orders. Because I've had all of these orders, I haven't had time to complete shooting video, editing video, and completing orders. Aside from screen printing, I also do photography, as I've mentioned before on my channel. So I do photography, I come home, I put those pictures on my computer, get those set up for editing. I come here to my screen printing press, I load up, I print. So I've just had absolutely no time outside of being a businessman to do business. I apologize. My goal is to get back into the swing of things. I have 3 videos, maybe 4 videos where I started the editing process. I recorded some 3-color jobs, some 4-color jobs that I'd done for myself. I had a 5-year anniversary for my brand. I had some huge mess ups with that. So I'm trying to put that in there with the video so you can see that it's not just perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna try to keep this short because I've got to get back to work. I've got stuff on the press right now. A customer 2-color job. It's 84 sweatshirts and 50 pair of sweatpants and 20 t-shirts. Then I have a project. It's 34 shirts for a company that I've been waiting for them to contact me. Even though it's a small job, I'm grateful because that means they're actually paying attention and they think that I do quality enough to where they'll allow me to put my services with their stamp. So I'm busy, long and short version, but I will return. Sorry that I haven't been here every single Friday like I'm used to doing or what you're used to from me, but I'll be back. I promise.